at this machine, the KTM Adventure 390R. Wind protection, 14 liters of tank, cruise control, and a TFT display that's smarter than you, Mukesh. This is how you travel.
Travel? Look at this KTM 390 Enduro R. No fat, no plastic, just pure muscles. 21-inch at front, 230 mm of suspension travel, and lighter than your XR, bro. This is how you ride.
We'll see who's smiling when we hit the highway or when you run out of fuel in Melamchi.
And we'll see who's crying when the road disappears. Let's go.
You feel that? The new 399cc engine, it's actually smooth. The old 390 used to vibrate my feelings out at lower RPM. But this LC4C is so refined.
Refined? It's a rocket. I'm in second gear, quick shifting like a MotoGP racer. This quick shifter plus is buttery.
Don't get too excited, man. We still have the Saku traffic coming up. This place is always a mess.
See, this is why I choose the Enduro. Standing position is perfect. The handlebars are high. The seat is flat. I feel like I'm on a dirt bike.
Well, I'm comfortable sitting down. Thank you very much. The suspension is soaking this up. WP Apex 43mm forks are working very hard today. Cruising at 80 kmph, there is zero wind blast. And how's your neck feeling, Mukesh?
I can hear you over the sound of how cool I look. But seriously, these Mitas E07 Plus tires are excellent.
That is the good thing about this KTM. They gave us a very good tire. These tires are gripping the tarmac beautifully. I have full confidence in the corners. Plus, the cornering MTC is watching my back. We're in Melamchi now. You can still see the scars of the flood over here. And the roads, just unpredictable.
Unpredictable is good. This is where the pavement is. I'm switching off my rear ABS. Supermoto mode, baby.
I'm switching to the off-road mode on the TFT. It allows some slip on the rear, but keeps the front active. Safety first, man. These stones are brutal, man. The suspension is taking a beating. But honestly, for a touring bike, the Adventure R is handling this surprisingly very well. It feels so planted.
You look like a bobblehead, bro. The 21-inch front wheel on the Enduro is cheating. It just rolls over everything. And the torque, I'm in second gear, just logging it up. This engine is a tractor when you need it to be.
Now we are gaining altitude fast. Tarkeyghyang is at 2600 meter and the air is getting very thin. Finally,
We made it to Tarkeyghyang.
yep. The bike did take a beating, but I'm sure they didn't skip a bit.
Worth it. Every dust, every bump, totally worth it.
Absolutely, man. And the machines, well, I have to say, they did got us here. So, the verdict. If you want to go from Kathmandu to Mustang and all over the country comfortably,
You get the Adventure R. It does what 90% of Enduro does, but with 100% comfort on roads.
exactly. But if you're a lunatic like Mukesh here, who seeks out the hardest trails and does not care about a sore butt,
You get the Enduro R. It is the most fun on two wheels. Basically, it is the dirt bike with a number plate. But make sure you carry some extra fuels.
both of these 2025 models are a massive leap forward. KTM has finally fixed the engine refinement and suspension.
Agreed. Now it's race back to Melamsi.
Here on, last one to buy Chia is a Gada.